Hello everyone, welcome to Dada's FoodCrave kitchen featuring cooking, beauty, lifestyle and more. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious crowd-pleasing party fishball snack. If you are new to my channel and this is the first time you are tuning in, I absolutely thank you for stopping by. If you are interested in seeing how I make this delicious crowd-pleasing party fishball snack, please stay tuned, and without any further ado, let's get cooking. In this recipe, I am using cod fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I recommend you use Parmesan cheese in this recipe. It's optional if you don't want to. I'm using half a cup of Parmesan cheese, black pepper, salt to taste, 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs. You can use Panko breadcrumbs, 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of fresh parsley. This is also optional. I'm using 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use the whole Scotch bonnet pepper or half of it or none at all. I'm also using 2 eggs. Here I have plain flour and a little bit of cornmeal. If you do not have cornmeal, feel free to use just plain flour. Of course, you need some vegetable oil to fry. What I'm simply doing here, I'm just chopping up my garlic, my habanero pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper with my parsley. You can simply make this party fishball snack. Like I said, it already speaks for itself. It's a party fishball snack. You can make this at your dinner party or any type of occasion you're having and just serve it around to your guests as an appetizer, or you could just make it at home, just something to snack on. So now you're gonna add the fish with all the other the rest of the other ingredients into the blender. Your garlic, your black pepper, your Parmesan cheese, plain breadcrumbs, black pepper, eggs, and the fish into the blender and blend it until everything is well combined. But I also want to mention something. Make sure you tap dry the fish until it's completely dry. Do not have the fish have a lot of water in it and then blend it with the rest of the other ingredients, because if the fish is too moist, if it's too wet, first it would be very hard to roll in a ball, and also if you try to fry it, it will break apart, and you do not want that. Make sure you tap dry the fish with paper towel until all the excess water is out of the fish. And you can use any fish of your choice. You can use cod fish, flounder fish, tilapia fish, any fish fillet you have of your choice, that should be fine. So this is how it looks like after all the ingredients it's mixed together in the blender. Now what you want to do with a clean hands, wash your hands with soap and water before you can handle any type of food. So what you want to do now, you're just gonna boil up the fish. You can make it as big as you want, or and if you can make it as big as you want. You can also make it as smaller than what I'm doing here. Like I said, it's an appetizer. I go with this size. It's up to you to make it whatever size you want. But if you decide to make it, like I said, on a dinner party or an occasion as an appetizer or for a snack, I think this size is perfectly fine. Like I said, you can make it as small as you want or as medium size as you want, but I won't recommend make it large, that big, except for if it's something you're doing at home just to snack on. But if you making this for a party as an appetizer, I would recommend you make it in a nice small round ball shape. So you just want to ball it up like so with your hand, and then just coat it in the flour mixture and the cornmeal mixture. Like I said, if you don't have cornmeal, feel free to just use plain flour. After everything is boiled up and the fish is coated in the cornmeal and the flour mixture, this is how everything looks like. So you want to wait, let it settle, let it sit for a little bit until some of the flour and the cornmeal mixture is soaked into the fish for like 2 to 3 minutes before you fry them. As you can see, I'm using a small pot to fry my fish ball. Like I always say, if you're doing any type of deep frying, like especially fish balls or any like chicken wings or anything that you decide to deep fry, I would recommend you use a smaller pot. This will control how much oil you're gonna use. If you use a larger pot, then you tend to use a lot of oil, and then maybe that oil is gonna go to waste. I would recommend you use a smaller pot when you doing any type of deep frying. At least that will give you that control of not using too much oil. So what you want to do, you want to make sure the oil is hot, not extremely hot, because you want the fish to be thoroughly cooked inside, soft in the inside and crunchy in the outside. And make sure you use a skewer if you decide to move the fish around. And like I said, one more time, make sure the fish is completely dry, like tap dry, no water in it, because if it's too moist, then the fish will tend to just break apart. And don't make your oil too extremely hot. In a medium size heat, medium temperature, that should be fine. Just be patient, the fish will cook and it will be perfectly cooked. At least it won't be raw in the inside. So this is how it looks like. You want to fry it until it's golden brown, and voila, this is how the fish ball looks like. You can serve it with any of your favorite sauce, sweet and sour sauce, any any sauce you want to enjoy your fish ball with. You can enjoy your fish ball with that. I'm using sriracha sauce. You could just snack on it like that. If you decide to use it on a dinner party or any type of occasion, and you decide to make it in a party, just give your guests like a toothpick, and they will use the toothpick and just take one or two, or how much they want to take, and you just serve it around. So this is how it looks like. And I just wanted to show you the inside. You can see the fish ball is thoroughly cooked. This is how it looks like, and I hope you guys will try this recipe. If you do, let me know. Leave your comment down below, and if you guys have any question as well, let me know. I will make sure I answer all of your questions to the best of my ability. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I thank you all for watching. And I thank all my returning subscribers and all my new subscribers and my old subscribers, and the ones that are watching this video that haven't subscribed yet. I thank you all in advance, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Once again, I'm using sriracha sauce to enjoy my fish ball with, and you can use any sauce you want. So this is how the party fish ball snack looks like, and I hope you guys will try this recipe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.